We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I'm Dave, and today I'm going to show you how to add some indicators plus the custom blocks, which are in an XML file. And so these are on the StrategyQuant blogs, and I want to explain the method on how you're going to get these different indicators inside of StrategyQuant. We're on the blog. I'll put the link in the description below. Then now this is the same blog that I did before for the all-in-one indicators. You can see here, and I explain on how to do that in another video. And here is the new file. It says XML and XSP indicators. Now there's also some MT5 and the original files inside of there. Now why this is different is because these indicators have had the building blocks separated from them, and so you have to put them in separately, and I'm going to show you how to do that. For those of you that might not be following or understanding what I'm actually doing here, sometimes they give you the indicator like here in a zip file, and this is where the SXP file is, but then they've separated and put the custom blocks in an XML file, and you got to load those in a different way. So a little confusing, and I'm here to clarify on how you do all this. And do I know why the coder guy separates the blocks? No idea, because some of them are packaged into one SXP file and with those building blocks, and then others have the indicator separated from the building blocks. I don't know why they do that, but I'm here to clarify and show you how to do this. We're in that same place we were before, the code editor. How did I get to the code editor? I clicked on this button right up top here on the code editor. It loads another program. Okay, now we're in code editor. We're going to import the same way that we did on the last one. Then we're gonna open up the files, and it is downloadable on the website, and it is called XP and XML files. And inside of here are all of those indicators the same way they already are put in there for you on the last video. So this is exactly the same way as the last video. Put that in there, and then I'm going to overwrite because some of them are overwritten already in there for me. And then it wants me to restart, and I say yes, close it, and then I go back to StrategyQuant, and it's reloading. Okay, we've reloaded, but in the builder, those indicators are in here. They're in the indicator file, but not on the signal files. Okay, so now we've got to put those signal files in there. So we go to this button called the Algo Wizard. Okay, and then you click on Custom Blocks, and then you click on Import, and you go back to that same file. Now these are not XMP files. These are SXP files. These are XML files. So these are different, and these are all those custom blocks. So I'm going to put in those custom blocks, and they're all loaded in there. And I wonder if I only loaded one there. Yeah, I bet you did. Yep, so you got to do it one at a time. Hearst. Smooth RSI. SSL. And that's it. I already got the what a tar in there, and that's how you do it. So these now, if you restart StrategyQuant, they will be into the build. They will be into the building blocks here after you restart it. So if you like this technical stuff, press the thumbs up button. This one I don't really understand why the coder guy separates the custom building blocks. But yeah, you'd think an all-in-one package rather than separating them is better. Not sure why he does that, but just clarify that's how you're gonna get the indicator plus the building blocks in there for those other indicators. And so hopefully this is helpful for you. And thumbs up. Bye.